kids, today I am drawing a moon for you. Let's draw with me. This is very easy drawing. You enjoyed this a lot. Looks, it's so beautiful. Let's coloring in the moon. Use the yellow color. The moon is smiling. It's very, very easy. I like yellow color. It's very enjoyable for you. It looks so beautiful. Do you like this? Also use the colors in his mouth. It's so easy and beautiful. It looks so happy.